Hi friends, welcome back again for a brand new video on your channel, All the Parfum. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and while you're at it, please give us a thumbs up for this video. Trust me, it is for free, it doesn't cost anything, it just shows your gratitude and appreciation. So for today's video, real versus fake testers of L'Homme Ideal Eau de Parfum by Guerlain. So how to spot a fake tester of L'Homme Ideal Eau de Parfum by Guerlain. In this video I'm gonna mainly show you, or mainly focus on the bottles, alright? And I will tell you a little bit about the boxes as well. So most testers, they come with the boxes, of course, all of them. When it comes to L'Homme Ideal Eau de Parfum, they come with a box. Sometimes some sellers, they might sell it without a box. Anyways, we will skip that and come back to it later. So for now, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the bottles. So which one you think is the real here, and which one is the fake? Can you tell? So this is the fake one, L'Homme Ideal Eau de Parfum, the tester. And this is the authentic tester of L'Homme Ideal Eau de Parfum by Guerlain. Alright, so let's get closer to the camera. First thing that you notice, that on the bottles, the juice, the color of the juice of the fake one is much darker, as you can tell, not like on the authentic, that looks a little bit lighter, and it looks actually better. You have to have them in your hand to see that this one, the color looks ugly. If you get closer, it is not really that nice. Also, when you focus on the base, hold on. When you focus on the base of the glass, on the fake one, the base here is much thicker on the fake, and is thinner on the authentic. As you can see, thin, thick. So this is way too much on the fake one. Also, as you can see, this square is not really as authentic or as original as L'Homme Ideal. I mean, L'Homme Ideal, this square, this usual insignia is really very recognizable, and it's beautiful when it comes to the authentic. While on here it looks a little bit not really nice. It's not the same font. It's not the same. It's not as bold as on here. Here, as the font here is much thinner, and it doesn't look as nice. Alright, also, as you can see, this fake one, it has this like, I would say, like it's this plastic that's enveloping the bottle, and it's in the color like gray brown type of color. While on the authentic, you only have a glass, you don't have like a plastic envelope around the bottle. Alright? So also, when it comes to the caps of the authentic and the cap of the fake one, let's see the inside of the caps. So this is the authentic, and it looks much better than the fake one. Check out the fake one here. I hope that you can see very well. I hope that you can see the differences here. Alright, I'm trying to slow down as much as I can. So on the authentic, we have these dents inside the cap, like 3 dents. Those dents, so one here, and one here, they are inside the cap. So those dents, they actually help closing on the cap with the bottle. So when you close it, it clicks, and those dents help doing that. While this one doesn't really have those dents, it has one, but it's a little bit loose. So it would be a bad idea to hold your bottle from the cap. It might fall down when it comes to the fake one. Also, this cap, the authentic, is much heavier than this one. This one is much lighter. But also you can tell a difference in the color. I hope that you can tell the difference. Also from this angle, the authentic one goes much more towards the brownish color, while the fake one goes towards the gray color. Alright? So yes, those were the caps. Also, I mean, both testers, they have the Insignia, the Guerlain Insignia. They tried to improve this fake with having this Insignia right here, just like the authentic. So this is the authentic and this is the fake, right? But this fake has some cracks, as you can see here. It's not very well done, and the color is a little bit different here on this fake than on the authentic. Alright, but they tried to improve the height of the atomizer, also the color of the dot. Here it's black, here also it's black, but this one, this atomizer, this spritzer is much taller than the one on the authentic. Look, so the fake one is much bigger than the one on the authentic. See, it is much bigger and a little bit wider, if I can say that, but it is much bigger, definitely. I'm sure you can tell. And if you want to see the inside, okay, there is no need to see the inside of the atomizer. They look the same, pretty much the same. And when it comes to spraying the fragrance, I will come back to that after I show you the bottom of each fragrance. So here on the authentic, as you can see over here, it says tester, and we have the batch code right here, as you can see. Alright, and this is a sticker. Alright, and over here it says 3.3 fluid ounces. You gotta pay attention to what I'm saying. So the fake one is this one, and over here it says 3.2 fluid ounces, which is super funny. And we don't see the name tester anywhere here. They don't show you, there is nothing to tell you that this is a tester. Not like on the authentic. Right here, the authentic, it says tester. The fake one, there is nowhere where it says tester. And we have over here 3.2 fluid ounces, which is the equivalent of like 95 ml, which is not the work of the authentic. I mean, it's not an authentic, obviously. I mean, when you put 100 ml and you put 3.2 fluid ounces, that's an obvious giveaway that this one is a fake one. And yeah, once again, so you can see the difference. Alright, so what about spraying both fragrances? So they really, as I said, they really improved these fake testers of Lhomme Ideal de Parfum. I'm gonna spray a little bit just to show you how it sprays. They really tried, but it's not a really good sprayer. Not like the authentic. Of course, the authentic is really, it does the job, as you can see, very well. Very good sprayer, and the scent is beautiful. I mean, when it comes to the scent, because I know a lot of people, they are interested in knowing how this one smells like, and if it is any close to this. I'll say it this way: as I said in the beginning, they tried to improve this and make it like the authentic. There is some resemblances with the authentic, but this one is really far from this. It might smell like it, this fake might smell like the authentic, but there is so many differences. This is so beautiful, while this one begins with a blast of alcohol, and it doesn't really last. You only get like 10-15 minutes maximum, while you get a few hours with the authentic, and it's a beautiful dating fragrance for men. So now I'm gonna tell you about the boxes. So let's put the bottles away. I hope that you can see them from this angle. So this is the box actually of the fake one. So this is the fake, and this is its box. So the authentic boxes of the testers of Lhomme Ideal or the Parfum, they never ever come with a cellophane wrap. As you can see over here, we have a cellophane wrap, and this is the box of the fake one. And also on here it says 3.2 fluid ounces, which is a major giveaway to tell you that this one is a fake one. The authentic one does, the authentic one, it would say 3.3 and it doesn't have cellophane wrap, and sometimes it might have this logo on here and sometimes might not have it. I'm talking about the authentic one. But the fake one, as you can see, it has this big major giveaway, and also it comes with cellophane wrap, and there is also some other defaults. There is no need to point them out. Anyways guys, what I'm gonna say, really pay attention, watch out before buying a tester for this fragrance. Take your time, don't fall for like when it's too good to be true, just step back, take your time. Be very cautious, pay attention, and don't fall for, try as much as you can to not fall into scams, because counterfeiting and scammers when it comes to perfumes, it's just getting out of hand lately. So I guess this is it for our video. I will try in the future to do like a remake for this video. Meanwhile, please give us a major and a big thumbs up for this video. I hope it was helpful, and while you're at it, please give us a subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next videos. There is so much more similar videos to come in the future. Take care, bye.